Hi Ninjas, I'm Dave Johnson, one of the certified Ninja coaches, here with another weekly action tip. One of the most important pieces of the Ninja 9 is, of course, writing those personal notes. We all know that tiny act of kindness helps build connections, elevates trust, and provides that unexpected surprise that all ninjas love. Well, you want a strategy to help you stay more consistent with that note writing? Let me introduce you to the mangled yellow folder. I actually keep everything I need in that mangled yellow folder, and when the inspiration strikes to write a note on the go, it's all right there for me. Maybe I ran into a friend at the store or have a few minutes before my next appointment. It's incredibly easy and handy just to have everything I need right there in that folder and bust out a quick note. This was popular years ago with the Ziploc bag, which you may remember, and that probably would also hold up a little longer than my folder did. But whatever your preferred packaging, get it done and you'll be sure to write more notes. A quick bonus tip: at the end of your day, pull out 2 notes, 2 envelopes, put them right there on your desk, and then the next morning you'll sit down, you'll be ready to write your notes. Of course, after your affirmations, and they'll be waiting right there for you. So that's your Ninja Weekly Action Tip this week. Find your system that works for you and get those notes done on the go. Have a great week, Ninjas.